Amapolisa KwaZulu Natal abambe avalela amadoda amabini abawufumene nentsangu emotweni kwingingqi yase-Pongolo.Lamadoda nguMmi weli loMzantsi Afrika kunye nowelizwe lase-Democratic Republic of Congo. Lentsangu ibifakwe kwibhokisi yokungcwaba.
Amapolisa athi abenemvimbamgwaqo ku-N2 oPongolo ekuseni namuhla amise imoto ekuthiwa icime amalambu ngesikhathi sondela kwemvimbamgwaqo. Umshayeli nabehamba naye bathe bahambisa isidumbu. Baveze nencwadi ekhombisa ukuthi basebenzela inkampani yokungcwaba.
A search was conducted and police uncovered 30 concealed packets of dagga inside the coffin. The total weight of the dagga is 80 kilograms. The suspects were arrested immediately and detained at the Pongola police station.
Le moto kuthiwa ibiqashwe eBoksburg esifundazweni iGauteng. Laba baboshiwe bazovela enkantolo yasePongolo maduzane. Amapolisa esifundazweni kuleli viki abambe abantu abadayisa izidakamizwa ezindaweni ezahlukene. Abambe amadoda amabili eNdloveni Reservoir ngaphandle kwaseThekwini epakisha iheroin engadayisa u65,000 wamarandi. Enye indoda ibanjwe ebhele iphethe icocaine engabiza u90,000 wamarandi. Kwathi eShallcross kwabanjwa enye iphethe iheroin, icocaine kanye neMandrex okubiza u20,000 rand. Umlondi Khatebe, SABC News, eThekwini.